In this video you will learn all the tips and tricks of Google and Chrome browser. Many of you don't know there is an inbuilt calculator on Chrome URL. Let's see 200 plus 300 multiplied by 100. According to Bodmer's rule, it's first multiplying 300 by 100 and then doing its addition. But if you put brackets here, it will do its addition first and then multiply it. Let me put 200 plus 300 into brackets here. You can see the answer is 50,000. From now on you don't have to open up your calculator. You can do your math by just going directly to Chrome browser. Let me now take you to another useful trick of this Chrome browser. There is also an inbuilt media player on Chrome URL. Let me show you run a video directly from the URL. Here's is one of the old video from our channel. You can watch your video by dragging the file to the URL and press enter.
Let's first start with creating multiple channels on YouTube. Okay, so sign in. And click on the icon here above.
You saw that. You can also make your URL an image viewer by just simply dragging the file and press enter. Just like that. You can make it a text viewer, or you can also make it a PDF reader. Drag the text file onto the browser and press enter. It also works as a PDF reader. Let me show you by dragging the PDF file onto the browser and just press enter. So you can see. Here is the sample of a PDF file which you are viewing on Chrome browser. It gives you all the functionalities like rotate, download, print, fit to page, zoom in and zoom out. You can also see flight details by just entering the flight name. Here I typed AI 531. And you can see all the flight info directly on your search engine. As you can see, this flight is by Air India, which is flying from New Delhi to Ahmedabad. Just like that, you just have to type the name of your flight and see all the related info. Let me show you one more tip. You can make a shortcut of a site to your desktop. Now go to the three dots on the top right of your browser and go to More Tools. And click Create Shortcut. And now click Create. As you can see, here is the shortcut of youtube.com on my desktop. You can even mute and unmute a site by right-clicking on the tab of a site and clicking the mute option.
Multiple channels on YouTube. Okay, so
let me show you that. Now right-click the tab here and go to mute site option and click it. Or even unmute it by doing that again.
Channel.
Okay, so now, one more cool trick. You can search an image on your browser by clicking at the search by image option. You can upload the image from your computer to browser. You can see, the image of Batman and Superman is being uploaded to the browser. It will give you the information related to that image on its search engine. You can also search by file size like small and medium and large. You can see the image name is Dark Knight Rises and it's from many different sources like Reddit.com and Business Insider.com and BusinessInsider.in. So one more trick, you can pin any site to your browser. Just see me pin the YouTube site to my browser, and even if I close the browser, it will stay there till you unpin it. So one more trick, you can search from a particular site. Let me put my search query, and after that I have to write site : the site name. So here I am writing Superman vs. Batman site. Dailymotion.com, as I want this search only from Dailymotion.com site. By this you will only get the results from a particular site, according to your needs. By just adding site : site name after your search query. You can even duplicate the site by right-clicking the tab and click Duplicate. As I am doing just to show you, I duplicated the result of that site. And now, I will look for this same result from YouTube site in the another tab. Just to show you an example, here is the result from two different sites. One more tip, if you want to see the festival dates you can simply go to the Google's calendar and check them out. Here are some of the public holidays in India for the November month of 2020. As you can see, the Diwali is on the 14th and Bhai Dooj on the 16th of November. And it's on Monday. You can even see the temperature of a specific location by entering the name of the location and write the word temperature after that. As you see, the temperature in India for the Mumbai city is 31 degrees Celsius. And for the USA Washington DC is 1 degree Celsius. One more tip, just write down the name of the festival, and you don't have to look for the calendar. It will show you the festival date straight on the search engine result page. You can see I am putting festival name as Christmas and Halloween, and the Halloween date is 31st of October in 2020. You can even search through filters, like I am searching this Christmas image by different filters by going to the Tools option. Here are some more options, like you can search by size and color. I am selecting green color. Here are the results from a particular color. Here are the results of Christmas image in green color. You can also search by type, like gifts or drawings. Here are the Christmas gifts on the web. Or search by time, like duration, like when the image got uploaded on internet, like in 24 hours, or by week. You can even search it by usage rights, like Creative Commons license or commercial license, or can clear all the filter by just clicking at the clear option here. You can even translate any sentence into any language you want. Write down translate in search box and press enter. Here I will show you a quick example. I am gonna write, I love you all, and I will translate it into Hindi language. You can even hear it saying the sentence in Hindi. And now, just to show you, I will click this mic icon to hear what it's saying.
मैं आप सभी से प्यार करता हूँ.
You can also search by file types, like you can search a PDF document by writing file type, PDF after your search term. Just like I am writing easy money file type PDF, by this I will only get results of PDF documents. Here is the PDF document to show you an example. Just like that, you can search a full book written in PDF. You can put PPT here for PowerPoint slides. Here are slides related to easy money. And put doc for Word documents. Here are all the documents related to our search term, easy money. You can put XLS for Excel sheets. Here are all the Excel sheets, right in front of your eyes. We hope you have got some valuable information from our video. Let us say bye for now. Please hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel and help us grow further, and also like, share and press the bell icon.